Hello, in this video we'll show you how to update your CropScan Display Analysis software. Download the correct version of the CropScan Display software and copy and paste it to the root drive of a USB. One is provided in the accessory kit. Click on the Update Software tab, then select the version of software listed on the USB. Press OK to confirm the version to be installed. Follow and accept the prompts to complete the software installation. Once completed, select the Reboot option and wait for the CropScan to shut down and reboot into the newer version. Once the CropScan Analysis software is loaded, wait for the display to connect to the spectrometer controller, indicated by the blue process bar. You will also note the display version and spectrometer version will be displayed in the Daily Checks window. Thank you for joining us, and find more CropScan tutorial videos at our website www.cropscanag.com.